Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So I bought some stuff from Aliexpress, and if you guys know, shopping on Aliexpress is takes forever. I think I waited a month and a half for these things. And I also got some stuff from Rainbow that I will be showing to you guys. So the first thing I got is, let me show you the color. I'm always buying black stuff. I don't know why. Black is my favorite color, but this top right here, it's a knit top and you can tie it however you want. I really like this because it's so versatile. You can wear it as a crop top, you can wear it over a dress, you can wear it as a blouse. I really like this, and it's a nice heavy material, and I paid $12 for these, and I actually see them in the boutiques here in the US being sold for like $45, $50. So I got the green one, the black one, and this was supposed to be white, but it's cream. And anytime you lift white stuff up on camera, it always throws your lighting off, so sorry about that. I also got this dress right here on Aliexpress. I think this was $12 or $13 also. This is actually a see-through material, and it has the ruching at the front. I love the colorway. I've been trying to get into color more. I buy a lot of black and gray stuff, so anytime I buy stuff now, I'm just like, you only have 1 to 2 pieces that you can pick that's black, and that's it. So I love the orange and pink. It's cute. I would definitely say wear seamless underwear, seamless bra under this if you want to wear it out, or you can use this as a bikini cover up. This is also another thing I got this for my birthday pictures, actually. If I can actually put it together, that would be nice. I actually got it in black, and I got it in white, and I got it for birthday pictures. Basically, my birthday is next month. I don't like last minute stuff, so I like to plan ahead, especially when it comes down to special occasion, birthdays and stuff. So I got those. I also got some sunglasses. I got these because it's summer coming up. This one. I also have one in my bag that I was just wearing. I don't know. Definitely not going inside to get them. This one right here. And I got some, oh, I got a black one. Nice. I think I paid $4 for these sunglasses. Okay, $4 US, I should say. This is how that one looks. And then I got some face shields. Cute. So this is in the rainbow color. I got a white, black, and clear, and I also got this one just for the hell of it. Babe, come here. You like this one?
What's that for? Halloween?
So I got this one also.
What?
So this is
That's a mask?
A mask. And I think I paid $3 for these on Aliexpress.
Put it on and see again. That's some futuristic stuff.
Oh yeah. And I got it in red and another color. I think I got it in black. Yes, black. This one. So yeah, those are the things that I got from AliExpress. And those took forever. So if you're buying from AliExpress, know that it's gonna take you 1 to 2 months for your stuff to come. Don't think it's gonna get to you anytime soon. So that's why I'm saying if you're buying any of the dresses that I showed you or anything for a special occasion, make sure you buy it in advance. And I think because the stuff is so cheap that the weight is no big deal for me. And then rainbow. So I got this bright pink dress. This color is out of my comfort zone. You would never catch me dead in a bright pink dress like this ever. So it's a rib material. It's a mini, but it catches you above your knee. The material is nice. I paid $12. Yeah, I'll put them on, but I'm just shooting this part first. And then I got it in this color. This is more my speed. Like colors like this gray, black. Those are my colors. And then, oh, look at that! I bought something black. I can't help myself. I got this dress. This dress is really nice. This is double. Yeah, it's a dress. It's actually double lined. So you know how Naked Wardrobe, JLux Label, all those expensive brands have double lined clothing. This is actually double lined, and when I came home was when I saw that it was double lined. And if you are a voluptuous woman, you know how big of a deal having clothing that's double lined is, because when you put on your undergarments, you don't need to worry about it, and you don't need to worry about anything showing. So I'm gonna probably go back and see if I can find other colors in this, because this is $12 and it's double lined. Amazing. This is an amazing find. And then out of my comfort zone again, I got a baby doll dress. This is tie-dye. It's cute and whatever. I just bought it to see if I could pull it off, because normally I would never wear something like this. So I want to see if I can style it and see how it would look on my frame. So yeah, especially the colorway. The colorway is bright. I guess ever since having a daughter and she having so much bright colored pink and crazy color clothing, I feel like I need to match her. So yeah. And then I got these blouses. Anytime I go to Rainbow, I always get these v-necks. They're 2 for $5. You can't beat them. I wear these things religiously. These are like my uniform. These and sweatshorts. I wear these every day. So yeah. So that's it for this haul video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell me which piece you want to see me style, and I'll definitely do a styling video for you guys. Deuces.